Welcome back, YouTube. Now this time I want to talk about the umlauts, just the umlauts. And it's such a point where we all get messed up as Americans or British or Australians because our alphabet doesn't have letters like this, let alone these letters. It took me a while to come to this, but I feel like I have a really good way of looking at these letters that will help you to pronounce them better. So AE is E, and OE is U, and UE is U. Those are their names. Or you could say umlaut A, but E is really better. And the reason I think that we use this character with the two dots as opposed to using just spelling it out, A and E together, is because the pronunciation is really both letters simultaneously. It's not A and then E, or O and then E. It's O and E at the same time. That's why it's its own character. That's why it's not the same really as OE. It's just another way of writing it if you don't have that character, which happens on Microsoft all the time. If you have a MySQL database, good luck with your umlauts. The best way to practice this is, excuse me, in my opinion, to make the sound slowly, one after the other, and increase the speed going back and forth between the two sounds until it's like you're making them at the exact same time. That's my favorite technique, to actually get to that sound, but you have to take your time at the beginning. That's the most important part. You go O, A, O, A. Really pronounce each correctly. And then as you get kind of bored of that because you're taking your time and it feels easy when you go slow, then just slowly increase that rate. O, A, O, A, O, A, O, A. And your mouth will start to average it out as you go faster, and it will find that shape automatically. And that's my tip for you to get the killer umlaut sound that you wish you could, that you're jealous of the Germans of. That's how you do it. Take your time at the beginning, go so deliberate, so slow, that it's almost boring, and slowly increase the speed until your body automatically averages out the shape of each sound, and it combines them into the umlaut sound. And of course, the prerequisite here is you have to have the correct pronunciation of the two constituent letters. But I trust you guys already have that down, so that shouldn't be anything to worry about. Try this technique and tell me what you think down below. This is Real Talk. If you like this video, hit the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. We love making content that helps people out and that people find useful. So if you have something you would like to know, leave a question down below and we'll try and get to that. Well, we'll probably definitely get to it if it's something you wanted to know so badly that you left a comment. O A O A O A O A O A O A O A O A O A Ooh 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 a. It's like a didgeridoo. Ah a 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 ah a. It's like a sine wave. Eventually it comes. Eventually it gets in tune. Harder to go from the umlaut to the two constituent letters, though.